How to fix mobile data is slow on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Restart device from here. After restart phone, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. Turn on airplane mode 1 to 3 times, turn on or turn off, turn on or turn off. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, again open the settings panel and turn on mobile data and turn off. Turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it doesn't fix this problem, click on Settings app, scroll down and click on System and Update. Click on Software Update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix mobile data is slow on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.